How to sign into CapCut using QR code. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can sign into CapCut using QR code. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So you just need to open up your browser. After that, simply head over to the CapCut. Just type in CapCut and you can see the CapCut.com official link on the very first page. And when you go there, you can find the sign in option. You may just choose this option called Continue with CapCut Mobile. When you tap on it, a QR code appears on your screen, which you will be using in order to sign in into your account. So open up your phone after this QR code appears, and after that, head over to the CapCut app. Head over to the menu bar and you will be able to find a scan option. Just scan it. After that, confirm it, and both of your devices should be linked and you should be easily able to log in or sign in into your CapCut. So therefore, just follow the step, and I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.